I'm taking a walk up Nahat Road, the tourist strip at Kamala Beach. It's 8 p.m. This is not the main road through Kamala, so it's pretty quiet for traffic. This is a popular street for the tourists. It's full of restaurants, shopping, massage, bars, hotels, and a 7-Eleven of course. There are money exchanges, tour booking agents, tattoos, tailors for custom-made clothes, pharmacies, laundry services, everything. You can go shopping for clothes, shoes, sarongs, bathers, hats, bags, everything you need for the beach, plus souvenirs galore. There is a couple of big supermarkets, just 200 metres walk up at the main road. There's a big C and a villa market. There's not so much vehicle traffic in this road at night, which is good. Oh, lots of massages happening over there. And all the shops are open. Kamala Dreams. I'm staying there at Kamala Dreams Hotel. And the kitchen is very busy. I don't know. Because this is the car park for the beach. Lots of tuk-tuks. Look at the eyes on the tuk-tuk taxis. That's funny. All these little restaurants at the beach car park are open too. Grab some good street food at the car park area. There's heaps of restaurants here. Lots of fruit. All these tiny little restaurants. There's like stacks of them here. Lots and lots of little restaurants. Lots. After a walk and food, get yourself to Mamma Mia for a drink, live music and a dance. It fills up. This place is amazing every single night. Hit that subscribe, bookmark me so you can find me again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy travelling, travel safe and enjoy the journey.